let's explore different ways of converting a string into a list. Okay, so normally we use a popular method to convert the string into a list by using list built-in function, right? Now look at here. Here we are using list built-in function to convert the string into a list. Let's run this and check it out. Now see, each character has been added as an element into this particular list, right? Now, what is the other way of converting this list? We use list comprehensions, right? I for I in string, right? Now run this. Now see, again successfully we have converted this string into a list, right? Now let me show you another beautiful way of converting this string into a list. Okay, use star operator underscore comma, right? Now this star iterates through each character of a string, and each character will be added as an element of a list. Okay, this underscore variable will store the complete list. This comma indicates that the result should be list. Okay, let's print now. Now look at here. This underscore holds the complete list. Now in this list we have complete Python. Okay. Now guys, I wanted to make only YTHON into a list. Okay. Now what I have to do? Okay. Simple. You need not to do anything. Just A comma star underscore comma B. Okay. So A grabs P, B grabs N. The star underscore grabs YTHON into a list. Okay. Now print again underscore. Now see YTHO. Got it? So in this way, you can convert a string into a list in different ways.